'Cause I wanna love you for good or for bad. When times get sad and when we fight. And I wanna love you.
Hi mga lods, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Marlo. Don't forget to click subscribe down button below and click the notification bell for my updates. So yun mga lods, for today's video, ang gagawin lang natin is mag-unboxing ako dun sa binili ko sa Facebook. Kasi parang nag-check ako ng mga timeline ko, then suddenly merong buy one get one shoes class A galing, I forget kung Nike or Addidas, na nag-offer ng buy one get one. So I take that as my advantage para diba dalawa na sila sa isang price. So ang gagawin ko lang is just bubuksan natin to and then let's see my reaction. Tara! Hi mga lods, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So sabi ko nga kanina, bubuksan ko na yung binili ko sa nabili ko sa Facebook na buy one get one na shoes. So again, I forgot kung siya yung Nike or Addidas, so let's see na lang. So bagong bago pa siya, fresh from the bag. So kailangan natin ng, of course, gunting to open this. Malamang naka-plastic. So guys, Nike nga siya. Nilakad ko Nike or Addidas mga lods. Dalawa pala, isang Nike, isang Addidas. So that's good kasi mahilig naman ako both, ang tawag dito, brand ng shoes, Nike and Addidas. So dahil alphabet, unahin na natin yung letter A. So let's open Addidas. OMG. Oh, it's very good. This is my pangarap and finally I have now. OMG. Oh my gosh, it's totally class A. Texture is fine. Ang ganda ng ilalim. OMG, it's so amazing. Oh my god. Ang ganda na, oh my god. Oh my god. So, pinili kong size is 38 woman size. So, let's just try. Malinis naman po yung paa ko. It's so amazing. So again, yung binuksan natin dahil alphabetical, letter A, Addidas. Amazing. So let's open the second one, which is yung Nike. Pabebe, Nike. Here we go, Nike. Oh, yeah. OMG, Nike is real. Oh my goodness. Super, like, awesome. Air Max Nike, my god. So amazing. Like the texture, the design, it's so well designed. May ganun, mukhang bibili ulit ako na ito. May chat ko ngayon seller. Hello po, pabili po ulit. So again, let's try. Same as what I choose, 38 din siya. Pang women size naman tayo. Another masterpiece. OMG, I loved it. So yeah mga lods, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching and for accompanying me. for opening this. Cheers! I'm so happy. Finally have extra shoes kahit na nag-work lang ako sa bahay. So kung sakali mag-on-site or office, I have 2 brand new shoes. Thank you so